Hey there, are you a high school student wanting to jumpstart your college career and get ahead of your peers? Are you looking for a competitive edge in your college applications? If yes, you're watching the right video. Advanced placements or AP exams are an important part of the college application process. Here, you're tested upon valuable college level skills like research and critical thinking. Therefore, colleges will often look at your AP score as a signal of academic commitment and potential. AP tests are offered in a variety of subjects, including math, languages, natural science, and history. They're scored on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 obviously being the highest score. And these exams are quite challenging, so be prepared for some serious commitment on your end. Taking AP tests can help you stand out in the college admissions process and give you a competitive edge. Many universities offer college credit for scores of 3 or higher on the AP tests. This can save you money in tuition and help you graduate sooner. You will also have a higher chance of scholarships and financial aid when your application is backed by AP tests. Beyond the financial benefits, taking AP tests will expand your mental capacity and overall problem-solving efficiency. Preparing for and taking AP exams can be a challenge. It's important to know what resources are available to help you succeed. Start by talking to your guidance counselor and other school personnel to find out what AP courses they offer. Many schools offer tutoring, study groups, and other support to help you succeed. However, the best way for you to gain significant results would be through a private coach. Personalized attention and conceptual clarity can come naturally through one-on-one tutoring. Smart study and hard work is key. Be sure to review the material you have learned and practice past exams to get comfortable with the format. Oh, and we can help you out, obviously. Simply book a free consultation with our team and start your journey right away. Good luck.